to Cool Junior Phonics School. Let's start the Cool Junior Phonics class. Today, we're going to learn the sight word done. D is for done. 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 Let's think of another word that starts with the same first sound as done. Let's see. How about donut? Yummy. Donut starts with duh, too. So let's repeat after me. D is for done, D is for donut, done, donuts. Now, before we dive into the first sounds of the words in our song, let's listen to it first. Are you ready? Let's go.
The homework is done. The cleaning is done. The cooking is done. Now we can have some fun.
All right, now that we've had our fun with the song, let's break it down and explore the first sounds of the words together. Let's look at the first line. The homework is done. What's the first sound of homework? It's her like house. Now let's say it together. Her homework. One more time. Her homework. Great job. H is for homework, H is for house, her homework, her house. Let's move on to the next line. The cleaning is done. What's the first sound of cleaning? It's clear, like class. Let's say it. Clear, cleaning. Repeat after me. Clear, cleaning. Well done. C is for cleaning, C is for class. Clear, cleaning. Clear, class. Well done. All right, let's read the next line. The cooking is done. What's the first sound of cooking? It's kirsch, like cat. Meow, meow. Let's say it. Cooking. Repeat after me. Cooking. C is for cooking. C is for cat. Cooking. Cat. Let's look at the last line. Now we can have some fun. What's the first sound of fun? It's fur like fish. Let's say it. Fur fun. Repeat after me. Fur fun. F is for fish. F is for fun. Fur fish. Fur fun. Amazing work, everyone. You rocked our Cool Junior Phonics class today. Keep practicing those first sounds, and I'll see you next time for more phonics adventures. Want to see more fun videos like this? Subscribe to our Cool Junior Phonics channel for more.